Hi students, so we are going to write the last equation of this chapter, astronomical telescope when the image is obtained at infinity. Now for the board exam you won't be asked the question derive an expression for magnification when the final image is obtained at infinity, but you will be asked the question derive the expression for magnification of an astronomical telescope in normal adjustment. Now normal adjustment means when the image, final image is obtained at infinity. Okay. So first let us see the ray diagram for deriving this expression. Okay. The objective is of larger aperture and we have the eyepiece of comparatively smaller aperture. Now what happens? The ray of light from infinity passes through the objective, it gets incident on the objective at an angle alpha. Now after refraction, it forms a diminished inverted image A dash B dash, which is obtained at the focus of the objective. Now the eyepiece is adjusted in such a way that this image A dash B dash is obtained at the focus of the eyepiece also, and you know this image, like the previous derivation, acts as a virtual object for the eyepiece, and rays from this image A dash B dash passes through the eyepiece and the final image is obtained at infinity. Now let us see what is the expression for magnification. So first let us define what is magnification. What is the definition for magnification? It is defined as the ratio of angle subtended by the image at the eye to the angle subtended at the eye by the object when both means image and the object are when both are at where infinity. That is M, magnification M is equal to tan beta divided by tan alpha. Now as in the previous cases, we use the same method to find out what is tan beta and tan alpha. For that we consider two sets of triangle from the figure. So we can write from the figure using triangle. First we are going to find out what is tan beta. So we are going to find it using triangle A dash B dash E. From triangle A dash B dash E, we can write tan beta is equal to opposite side by adjacent side. Similarly, from the triangle A dash B dash O, this triangle, we get tan alpha. This is alpha. Since this alpha is also alpha, we get from triangle A dash B dash O, tan alpha is equal to opposite side by adjacent side. Therefore, magnification M is equal to tan beta by tan alpha, which is equal to A dash B dash divided by B dash O divided by A dash B dash divided by, B dash E divided by A dash B dash divided by A dash B dash O is equal to B dash O divided by B dash E. So what is the next step? From the figure we have to find out what is B dash O and what is B dash E. Now B dash O, so this distance is B dash O, and what is B dash O? It is the focal length of the objective. So B dash O is equal to F0. And what is B dash E? It is the object distance of the eyepiece. So B dash E is equal to minus F0 Fe according to the sign convention. So we can apply the value of B dash O and B dash E in the equation. We get M is equal to B dash O, which is F0 divided by B dash E, which is minus Fe. Is equal to minus F0 by Fe. This is the expression for magnification of a telescope in normal adjustment. Now, if we compare this equation with the equation for magnification for near point, that is magnification for near point, what was the equation? It is minus F0 by Fe into 1 plus P by D. When you compare these two equations, we can see that magnification is more when the object image is at near point, but as I told you in the previous videos, it is very strained for an eye. So magnification when compared to that it will be less when the image is at infinity, but much less strain for the eye. And also the negative sign in this equation indicates that the final image is real and inverted. I hope this derivation is clear to you. Thank you.